I'll show you a feature today that completely minimizes the chance of write-offs for the work you've done for the client. It's called the Client Portal that allows an unparalleled level of transparency of relationship with your client. Let me show you how it works. So first, in every client view, you have the settings and you have a client portal. You enable that. You choose the data you want to show. Here I'm showing everything like events, tasks, bills, timesheets, expenses, and contracts. I already shared one document with the client in the portal. And basically, let me show what the client will see after you've done that. So here we have an example uh, client portal view. And here is a dashboard for the client. So there's a overdue bills, the total logged hours, awaiting payments. In the bills view, the client can see the paid bills, awaiting payment bills, and draft bills that are not yet approved internally. In the calendar view, you can basically show all the work that you are doing for them based on your Amberlo calendar. Okay, so in the week view, we can see that they're creating draft response, they do some e-discovery, this court hearing on Friday, right? In timesheets view, basically here I've chosen to group by matter. Uh, they can see what timesheets already are generated for the cases they have, and they have a couple of cases, so we can basically, let's say, choose just one case, right? So that's pretty easy. Uh, so they can see basically all the progress of expenses and costs that already been happening with their legal work, and as well the documents. So if you receive some court document, you share in the client portal, they click on that, boom, it's downloaded. You don't need to send it by email, and you have eliminated the chance of an error sending it to the wrong recipient. And you can also share the contract. So this brings you an amazing tool that sort of can remove completely the ability for the client to challenge the work you've done and bring your transparency to a parallel level and completely eliminates the chance of write-offs.